Hi there, this is a quick video to show you how to do more things with your website. So we've had a request to find out how to save a row that you've used in your existing pages, save that row and then reuse that row elsewhere in your site. And that's really simple to do. So what you need to do is get to the page that you've got the row that you want to move around or save to your library, so to speak, and click on front page editor when you're on that front end editor when you're on that page. And let's say, for example, that you wanted to save this row and add that, save that so you can add it somewhere else on your site. So all you need to do is click on the row settings screen, little icon, and click save as. And then it'll bring up another box saying save row. So you can name it something distinctive that you'll remember. So we'll just call this demo row 1. And if you were to save it as a global row, that means that wherever you placed that row, if you were to edit it, it would update in all the locations where that same row is saved, has been placed. So for example, if you decided you wanted a testimonial slider and you were happy to have all the same testimonials on 4 or 5 pages, for example, you could use that row on all your pages, and when you edited it, that would update all those pages that has that global row. So you can see that already in action with the call to actions that we've got in place. So they're all global areas, so to speak. So anyway, getting back to the saving of the row, once you've named it, just click save. If you want to make it global, you change that to yes. So we've saved that now. Imagine I wanted to add it lower down the page. You don't even need to save it if you don't plan to use it elsewhere on different pages. You could just duplicate it like so, and then you could drag it by hovering over it, and you'll see it says move, and you can see you can drag it down. Let's say you wanted it here, and there you go, it's there. So let's go and add that to another page now. So I'm just going to remove that. And done. And as I don't want to save any of the changes made, I'm just going to click discard and OK. So then I'll move on to, say, the area page, and I'll add that demo row so you can see how to do it. Again, click into front end editor, wait for it to load up, and then from the same area where you'd go to get your the pre-made rows that we've created for you, exactly the same place. It's under rows, save rows, and you'll see there's the demo row 1. So you could then click and add it there, for example. And if you wanted to add some of the pre-made rows that we've created for you, you'd obviously use these ones here, the call to actions, content row, page titles, photo galleries, etc. But the ones that you've saved yourself would be under saved rows. And as you can see, there is just the one there at the moment that I've saved. So you can add that row numerous times throughout any of your pages, and really go to town with it as much as you like. And I'm just going to delete that again. So I hope that was clear. If you need to have any sort of clarification on anything, send us an email and we'll create a video to show you how to do it. All the best. Take care.